Hello students, welcome to the grammar classes. We have been learning the formation of adjectives from nouns. The first half we discussed in the previous class. Today in this class we shall learn the next four suffixes. The first seven suffixes we learned in the previous class. The next four suffixes will be learned today in this class. Why to wait? Let's get started. First one, ish. The meaning of this suffix is having the quality of, nature of something. When we talk about something, the nature of something is discussed with the suffix ish. Let's look into one or two examples. For example, child plus ish, childish, like a child, behaving like a childish, child, that is called childish. Book plus ish, bookish, girl plus ish, girlish. So, ish is the suffix which is used to tell us the nature of something. The second one is ik, ickle. Ik is a bit different from ickle because ik has the meaning of caused by. Otherwise, both the words have the same meaning, having the nature of. Having the nature of something. What is the nature? Alphabet. Alphabetical. Tact plus ickle is equal to tactical. Here base plus ik is equal to basic. Artist plus ik is equal to artistic. The next one is less. Less means without. The opposite of less is full. Full means full of. So mostly we can form less and full are used for making the opposites. Like use plus less is equal to useless. Whereas if we add instead of less full, then the word will be useful, just opposite of useless. But all the words cannot be formed in that way. Beauty plus full is equal to beautiful. But beauty plus less, beautyless is generally not used. So every word cannot be formed in this way, but most of the words are formed less means without, where full means full of. Help plus less is equal to helpless, where help helpful. Next one, like, why. So all the three have the same meaning, having the quality of, like, just like something. Plus why, oily. I don't like Indian food because they are most of the food items are oily. Ice plus y, icy, just like ice. Here, beast plus ly, beastly, beastly behavior, just like a dead plus ly, deadly. Here, like, boy like, girl like, woman like. So all the three are having the meaning like something. Oil plus y, oily. It means full of oil, having the quality, the nature of oil. So learn this four in this class, and the remaining four we shall learn in the next class. Let us recapitulate or once again go through the suffixes. The first one was able, able, al, el, et, ari, and ul, full, ish, ik, ickle, less, like, y, ly, and the remaining ous, ious, eous, if, achieve, some, euler. So these four parts we shall learn in the next class. And if you have any doubt in the first 11, that is for In this class we learn and this class. A total of 11 have been discussed. If you have any doubt about any of these suffixes, please ask me, and your comments put in the comment box. That will encourage me, of course. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.